If you're wondering why you should seriously consider rolling over your 401k into an IRA today, let me start by saying this could be one of the most important decisions you make for your financial future. There are several reasons why rolling over your 401k into an IRA can give you more control, flexibility, and security over your retirement savings. Stay with me until the end, and I'll show you exactly why this is crucial, especially for American retirees looking to protect their wealth. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are making the switch to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. Trust me, it's something you want to know about. Now, let's get into why rolling over your 401k into an IRA is such a smart move. First off, IRAs give you a much wider range of investment options compared to a 401k. You're not limited to the handful of mutual funds that your employer offers. With an IRA, you can diversify across stocks, bonds, real estate, and precious metals like gold. Imagine having more control and more potential for growth, especially when the stock market is unpredictable or when inflation is a concern. And here's the thing. 401ks can often come with higher fees. You might not even realize it, but those small fees can add up over time, eating into your retirement savings. When you roll over into an IRA, you have the chance to pick a plan with lower fees, putting more of your money to work for you. Another huge benefit is that IRAs offer more flexibility with withdrawals. While 401ks have strict rules and penalties if you access your funds early, an IRA provides much more freedom. This is especially beneficial for those who want access to their money in case of an emergency or to take advantage of a great investment opportunity. Now, let's talk about a key factor many retirees overlook: taxes. With a rollover, you can keep your savings in a tax-deferred environment. This means you won't owe taxes on your investments until you start withdrawing them, allowing your wealth to grow without Uncle Sam taking a bite every year. But what if you're really looking to protect your wealth? This is where a gold IRA comes in. Gold IRAs are a fantastic choice for those who want to preserve their wealth in times of economic uncertainty. You see, gold has historically been a safe haven during times of inflation and market volatility. While your traditional investments might be tanking, your gold investments could be holding steady or even rising. If you want to protect your wealth from the risks of inflation, geopolitical tensions, or a crashing stock market, then a gold IRA is one of the best options available. Now, if you're thinking about your next steps, here's a no-brainer. Rolling over your 401k into a gold IRA could be a game changer. With over 100k or even $5 million in savings, it's crucial to ensure that your wealth is growing and protected. And this is where I can help. Click the first link in the description and get your free gold IRA guide. You'll discover why so many retirees are making the switch and why this could be the key to securing your financial future. So, to wrap up, rolling over your 401k into an IRA opens up a world of opportunities for growth, tax advantages, and more control over your investments. But if you want to take it a step further and really secure your wealth, a gold IRA is something every American retiree should seriously consider. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, whether you have 100k, 500k, or more, this move could be exactly what you need. If you have more than 100k in your IRA or 401k or even $5 million in savings, click the link in the description now. It's time to make a decision that can change your retirement for the better.